4. We are in we are in Dubrovnik, Croatia. We have an exciting adventure to start our day. We are going to travel through time and space to the imaginary world of Westeros and visit King's Landing, because Dubrovnik is where much of King's Landing was filmed for Game of Thrones. And I am a huge GOT fan, so I'm excited. Also, we've got Taj Mahal, a Bib Gourmand Michelin restaurant that serves Bosnian cuisine. We are going to tour one of the oldest and most well-preserved medieval towns in all of Europe. So we have a jam-packed day. I don't know if you guys noticed, I skipped breakfast yesterday and today because of the big lunches on both days. But we are going to go get some coffee. We have a little shuttle that I can actually see right here from my balcony that takes us into the main town, or the old town of Dubrovnik, as they call it. And then from there, we're going to find our tour group and get this day started. So let's go. Welcome to Dubrovnik. This tour was awesome. It is so neat as a fan of a show to be in places where they filmed it. It's interesting to learn how much of it was set here or quote filmed here, but was actually filmed in like Dublin or Spain, and then they like CGI'd in different places that were here for continuity and stuff like that. But what a absolutely incredible tour. But not just that, much like tour yesterday, Dubrovnik is a beautiful city. It is vibrant, it is alive, the people have been really cool. Our guide was great. I really liked him. He was so knowledgeable. Master's degree in history. And as much as the tour was about Game of Thrones, obviously we learned quite a bit about Dubrovnik as well. So we finished. I've got about an hour between now and lunch at Taj Mahal, the Bosnian cuisine restaurant. So I'm going to wander the streets of Dubrovnik and enjoy the beautiful city for a few minutes, and enjoy the beautiful city for a few moments, and then it is time to chow down on some Bosnian food. Guys, we have to talk about Taj Mahal in Dubrovnik. I mean, I've had some good food on this trip so far, but I'm going to say this is probably going to be my favorite restaurant so far. I'll probably say that at every place I go, but this had so many standout dishes that I don't even really know what to say. And I trusted the waitress, whose name was Barbara. Not Barbara, she got extra O, so that's Barbara. To make some recommendations for me. And a couple of things that it's not stuff I would have normally ordered, like the red pepper dish with the walnuts and the cheese. And then the sarma, which actually ended up being maybe my favorite bite of the day. The burek cigar. That looked like kind of like a taquito, but it was not, because it was like phyllo dough on the outside. Also outstanding. And I'm a huge fan of baklava. You saw I got some yesterday. Today I had baklava cheesecake, and holy cow. And then the Bosnian coffee to finish. What a meal, guys. I am a lucky guy. This has been some great food. So we're going to go walk around town a little bit more, walk off some of this food. It's a late sail away today. It's at 7:30. So I may stick around in the town, get into some shenanigans, or I may just go back to the ship and find some live music and a bar and hang out and just take it easy. Either way, lunch was great. So Taj Mahal, if you're ever in Dubrovnik on a cruise or in this part of the world to stay, I can see why it is a Bib Gourmand for Michelin, because it was an outstanding, exceptional meal.
bread. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. There's nothing that I would...
Welcome back to the main dining room. It is dinner time. I know I'm on vacation, and I probably shouldn't say this, and I probably say it too much because it makes me sound ridiculous, but I'm exhausted. That was a lot of stuff that I got in today. Did the tour, walked over to lunch, walked around the town some more, walked back over to actually where we started the tour, got some incredible drone footage of the ship. Very exciting for me. Still new at kind of using it. You guys are seeing some of the final results. So what do you guys think? Any good? You like the shots from the drone? I sure love flying it. It's scary sometimes because I'm not sure if I'm going to get in trouble in some of the places. But anyway, so it's been a great day. Checked out the dinner menu. I don't know what I'm going to eat. I'm going to need some help making the decision. The waiter that I've had the past couple of nights, though, is really good at kind of directing the guests in different ways for food. I've heard him do it with multiple people, and everybody's really enjoyed his recommendations. So we're going to have some food, and then there's a magician tonight, and I think there's some live music maybe. Not sure what all we're going to get to do because I'm really tired, but maybe I'll have some bonus coffee and stay up late. I'm in a good mood because it's just been an incredible past 2 days. Yeah, so Montenegro and Croatia. Come visit these places because they are amazing if you can get over here. Or live vicariously through me and enjoy the trips with me. So let's have some dinner and see what's next. I'm an old man, it's official. Let me tell you guys what happened and why. Obviously, this is the morning, but it is on last night's video. So after dinner, I didn't even eat that big of a dinner. I didn't eat all of my food. You saw the food, it was very good. That lamb dish, delicious. So the lamb was like braised and then shredded up super duper finely, not like ground lamb, but like it could have been if it wasn't braised and then shredded up, it could have had the texture of ground lamb, but it was quite good. So I came back to the room because halfway through dinner I sort of randomly freaked out and was worried that I had lost my AirPods, which I know is sort of a dumb thing, but I mean, I'm sure you guys have had that experience. You're doing one thing and something randomly pops into your head. You know, it's like the same as like you're driving, you've left your house with your spouse or a significant other or a friend, and they say, did you lock the doors? Did you leave the iron on? Whatever. So I came back to the room to make sure I had them, and then I had some spare time in between dinner and the magician, because I, unlike the previous nights, did not sit next to anybody that had conversation, so dinner finished much faster. So sat down and was just going to chill, you know, kind of scrolling the phone, wasting time basically until the magician and then whatever I was going to do after. And I dozed off and woke up at like 2 o'clock in the morning, still sitting in the chair, just kind of what a bum. So we missed out on last night, but that's okay, because you know what? It was good sleep. I was tired. So I'm an old man. It is official. Okay, so that's going to wrap up tonight's video. And then I'm going to see you guys in the morning / in about 30 seconds. So, good night, everybody.